structure lab. So 7th program is about the single linked list. So in the single linked list already you learnt in your third module, so how you are performing a linked list operation. So in this program what you are doing, you are creating a single linked list, okay, using insertion at the front end, and next display the single linked list and how many number of nodes you are having. You are performing insertion deletion at the end of the single linked list. Similarly perform the insertion deletion at the front of the single linked list. So you are performing all these operations, okay. So initially you are creating a node. So as you are having a node, what you are storing in the node, USN, name, branch, and see the phone number, it is of unsigned long, okay, and semester, okay. This is your information you are storing in the node, and link node already you are defining with struct node star link, okay. Initial and first node value are assigning as null, okay. To create the node, again what you are using, node get node you are using for creation of the node. So what it does, it will allocate the node. So by default malloc function, the memory allocation will takes place. Next x implies link equal to null, it is a null value. Later on goes on adding the node, okay. Next see the main function. So in the main function what you are having option create, display, insert at the end, next delete at the front, delete at the end. So these are the 7 choices you are having. Initially for the creates one, you are doing, you are calling for create, okay, create the singly linked list, okay. So for the creation of the single linked list you are calling. So here what you are doing, so here you are entering creation of single, you are entering number of students you are having, okay. Then what happens, you read the student details, okay. So at that time you are calling what, read function. Read function, what it does, it temporary node what you are storing, USN, see the temp implies USN, temp name, branch, phone number, and semester, okay. Like this way you are reading the details, okay. If the first node is null, you check for the empty list. At that time your new node value will become your first node value, else you will go on linking the node values. This is what insertion at the front end, okay. This is the insertion process, that is the creation. Next display, how you are doing, display count, how you are performing the display operation. Again you are having a function display count. So initially your count value is 1. Next your temp value, first initially it is first, okay. If first value is null, it will print that it is empty. If not, what you are doing, you are fetching the details, you go on reading the temp link values, and you go on displaying, and count value will be go on incrementing. So this is for the display function, okay. Next third of insertion at the front. So insertion at the front, what you are doing, so you are having a option code there. So you are reading the, again you are calling the read function, same as it is. If first value you are adding a temporary value as a first node, else you go on linking to the first node, then first value will become what, your temp value, okay. This is insertion at the front node. Insertion at the end, what you are doing, you same what you written in the algorithm, node at the last equal to first. At that time your last value you are linking with the new value, and the link value you are putting as a temp node. So your last node will become your new node, that is the insertion at the end. Next deletion at the front, what you are doing, you are having a first node, you are checking first node is equal to print empty. If not, if you are linking with the first node, deleting, and you are deleting first node. Similarly last node you are go on moving to the last node, and you are deleting the element of the last node, okay, and previous that node will become your last node, okay. So this is how you are performing insertion at the front end, back end. Similar deletion at the front end and the back end, okay. The same algorithms individually I have explained, the same thing you are written in the form of a code, okay. So go through this program, okay, and execute it. I already shared the program in your Google Classroom, and revert me back with the outputs, okay. Thank you.